Hey all you cool cats and kittens, it's Milminator here from NC, and today I'm going to follow up on a video that we looked at before about filtering. Filtering's great. You can go into a set of data that you've got and you can click on it and tell it to only show some of that data, and so you can highlight particular things that you're looking for. However, not all sets of data seem to have the filtering option available. Here's one here, and when we click on that, the filter button is missing. Not going to go into why that is, but one way to get around this is you can go and turn this layer into a feature layer. That seems a bit complex. I thought the easier way to deal with it is actually just to you can perform an analysis on it and do the same thing as the filter function did earlier. So here we've got a layer of data from one of my students' work, and this is the ground shaking zones in the Wellington region. And let's say we only wanted to show the low-level ground shaking zones, so the safest areas in the Wellington region according to this data here. So if we go into analysis and we go and find locations, and we're just wanting to look for existing locations, here we have the same looking box as what we would have had during the filter in the filter function. So we can go and add an expression in there. In this case I want to say ground shaking severity is, I'm going to pick a unique field there of low. So we've got low through to high. I just want to know where the low areas are. I'm going to click that in there. I'm going to give it a good name. Low ground shaking zones. It's a terrible name, but we'll run with it and run that analysis. And that will do the same thing as the filter did that I showed earlier for, I think, a very similar file actually. And so when this chugs on through, essentially what it should show is just the green areas of the map that we were looking at. What has it come up with? Yeah, basically where those green areas were. Cool. So that's it. Have a good day.